Hi, this is Mr. Ward, and this is your video key for Do Now 32.3 for pre-algebra. All right, so we have a baseball diamond, and baseball diamond is actually a square. So we have this square that's 90 feet on each side, and a player throws a ball from second base to home. If you're not sure what a baseball diamond looks like, it's going to look like this. So there's second, and there's home. So the ball is being thrown from here to here, and that's 90. So that's going to be 90 root 2 feet. Okay, that's how far the ball will travel. So 90 square root of 2 feet. And then if you wanted to find out what 90 square root of 2 is, we could 90 times square root of 2. And that comes out to a little over, about a little less than 127.3 feet. So we'll put that in as, or that's exact, or 100 and, hang on, we lost it there. 127.3 feet rounded. Okay, estimated. Rounded. Okay. How long is the dog's leash? That's our next question. So we've got a 5-foot tall fence. The dog is 7 feet away from the fence. How long is the leash? This is a straight up Pythagorean theorem problem. We're going to have 5 squared plus 7 squared will equal leash squared. So 5 squared plus 7 squared equals leash squared. So that's 25 plus 35 equals leash squared. So that's 60 equals leash squared. Now we can simplify 60. We can call that, so we're going to get the square root of 60. And the square root of 60 is going to will equal the leash. Okay, and the square root of 60 is going to be the square root of 4 times 15. So we can simplify that to make it 2 square root of 15 feet. And that's your answer. And if you wanted to find out something, that's an exact answer. And if you wanted an estimated answer, just get a calculator, because that's the tool you would use for this, unless you've memorized some rough square roots. It's going to be about 7.75 feet. Okay, and that's not an exact answer. Now we got this boat tied to a pier by a 25-foot rope. The pier is 15 feet above the boat. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. Hopefully it'll let me do that. It didn't let me earlier, because it'll help me with the drawing of this, because we've got some special right triangles here. So I'm going to draw a line like this. This line here happens to be 15 feet. So right there is 15 feet. And this is 25 feet. This is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle family. So 3 times 5 and 5 times 5. So this is currently 4 times 5, or 20 feet. Okay, now we know that. So we got 20 feet. Now, the rope is currently 25 feet long. If we pull 8 feet in, then it's going to be, I'll pick a different color for this part. It'll be 17 feet long. Okay, now the pier is still 15 feet high. So do we have any Pythagorean triples that have 15 and 17 in them? Let's take a look. Oh, look at that, 8, 15, 17. So it will now be 8 feet. Okay, let me redo that. That's going to be 8 feet. So how much did it move from 20 to 8 feet? Well, it moved 20. So figure this out. You're going to say 20 minus 8, and you're going to get 12. And that is how far it moved. So it moved 12 feet. Okay. And that is all we got for this one.